IAAP 2023 CPACC Body of Knowledge Development Volunteer Contributors Cindy Calton, CPACC, Nathan Clark, CPACC, Sean Durkin, CPACC, Colette Franzolette, CPABE Level 3, Jill Hart, CPACC, PMP, Cooper Holmeyer, CPACC, Maria Matthias, CPACC, Lacey Skristkowski, CPACC, Charlotte Van Oostrom, CPACC, Editors, Peter Kameni, CPACC, ADS, Sarah Chelstrand, CPACC, Program Manager, Susanna Lauren, CPACC, IAAP Staff Liaison, Samantha Evans, CAE-ICE-CCP. Editorial Notes, British and American English. The citations and resources are gathered from international sources. IAAP does not change the presentation of British English and/or American English. You will find both presentations in this document. Person First versus Identity First. G3ICT follows UNCRPD guidance and Person First language. Other organizations and advocacy groups may use Identity First language. IAAP does not change the presentation of disability language from the source. You will find both Person First and Identity First language in this document. Edits and changes to the 2023 CPACC Body of Knowledge. Once each quarter update requests will be reviewed for links, formatting, etc. Changes will be listed to identify changes and timeframe for edits/versioning. February 2024, V2.2, Page Numbering Corrections. Page 13, Added CART or STTR to captioning. August 2024, V3, Edited links of compromised URLs. Updated links on page 71. February 2025, V4, Page 56, Edits to Equality Act 2010. IAAP, CPACC, Body of Knowledge. Introduction 1. The purpose of this document. This body of knowledge contains the knowledge and skills expected to obtain the Certified Professional in Accessibility, Core Competencies, CPACC credential. The four main purposes of this document are to list the categories of information covered in the exam, present general information about each domain topic, recommend study topics related to each job task, provide links to resources on each topic, provide additional reading resources for expanded study. The body of knowledge is an open resource designed as a starting point when studying for the CPACC exam. This CPACC body of knowledge presents concepts, theories, and other information that candidates should master to indicate possession of core competencies expected of accessibility professionals. The body of knowledge is designed to help candidates prepare for the IAAP CPACC certification exam and provides references for additional learning and exploration. This body of knowledge does not provide an exhaustive explanation of every concept or question on the exam. Its use does not guarantee exam success. Please also explore the additional reading section at the end of this document. The web is a dynamic place. We cannot guarantee that all links will continue to work. If you find any broken links, please alert us at certification@accessibilityassociation.org. 2. IAAP CPACC Exam Preparation Resources. This CPACC body of knowledge and the CPACC certification content outline should be the base of every CPACC study preparation plan. To identify new or less familiar topics, CPACC candidates are welcome to prepare for the exam by studying high-quality materials available from reputable sources. IAAP lists free and for-purchase CPACC preparation resources on our About CPACC webpage in the Prepare for the CPACC Exam section. IAAP maintains a list of IAAP-approved CPACC certification preparation providers on this same webpage. Use of any preparation course does not guarantee exam success. 3. About the CPACC Professional Certification. The Certified Professional in Accessibility Core Competencies CPACC credential is IAAP's foundational professional certification. It represents the practical application of broad, cross-disciplinary conceptual knowledge of 1. Disabilities, 2. Accessibility and universal design, and 3. Accessibility-related standards, laws, and management strategies. Relevant domains for the CPACC credential include the Web and Other Information Communication Technologies (ICT), Architecture and the Built Environment, Consumers and Industrial Design, Transportation Systems, and any domain in which thoughtful design, policy, and management can improve disability access. The CPACC is the baseline IAAP professional certification for both non-technical and technical accessibility roles. For those in technical roles, IAAP also offers the Web Accessibility Specialist (WAS) and the Accessible Document Specialist (ADS) certifications. Individuals who pass both the CPACC and WAS exams carry a higher-level credential called the Certified Professional in Web Accessibility, CPWA. 4. The CPACC Certification Content Outline. Concepts at a glance. Domain 1. Disabilities, Challenges and Assistive Technologies. 40% of the exam. Theoretical Models of Disability. Categories of Disabilities and Associated Barriers, ICT and Physical World. Assistive Technologies and Adaptive Strategies. Disability Demographics and Statistics. Disability Etiquette. Domain 2. Accessibility and Universal Design. 40% of the exam. Individual Accommodations versus Universal Design. Benefits of Accessibility. Accessibility in Information Communication Technology, WCAG 2.1. Accessibility in the Physical World. The Principles of Universal Design, 2.0. Universal Design for Learning Guidelines, UDL. Accessibility, Usability, and User Experience, UX. Domain 3. Standards, Laws, and Management Strategies, 20% of the exam. International Conventions and Treaties on Disability Rights. Categories of disability laws and regulations. Applying accessibility standards and regulations to ICT. Organizational governance and management. 5. Additional CPACC resources and other IAAP information. IAAP homepage. IAAP Certification Overview. CPACC Certification Content Outline. CPACC Frequently Asked Questions. CPACC Preparation Resources. IAAP Approved Certification Preparation Providers. IAAP Certification Exams FAQ. Continuing Accessibility Education Credits, CAEC, and Renewal FAQ. Process of creating a professional certification. IAAP certification exams. Copyright and intellectual property. IAAP overlay. Position and recommendations.